Stop eating snacks that make you more hungry. I used to devour a whole bag of pretzels and still feel starving 20 minutes later. But then I discovered these 7 high-protein snacks that actually satisfy hunger, and number 5 made me lose 15 pounds without even trying. If you're tired of feeling hungry all day, keep watching because this will change everything. Real talk, are you sick of snacks that taste like cardboard and leave you hungrier than before? Comment HUNGRY if you're nodding your head right now. Today, I'm sharing the exact snacks that keep me full for 3 to 4 hours straight while helping me stay in the best shape of my life. And before we start, hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping science-backed nutrition tips every single week. Snack 1, Greek Yogurt Protein Bowl. Number 1, Greek Yogurt Protein Bowl, and this is not your grandma's boring yogurt. Listen, 1 cup of Greek yogurt packs 20 grams of protein, that's more than 3 eggs. But here's the game changer, add a handful of walnuts for omega-3s and healthy fats that turn off your hunger hormones. Then throw in half a cup of mixed berries for natural sweetness and fiber that keeps your blood sugar stable. This combination is magic. The protein digests slowly, the fats keep you satisfied, and the fiber makes you feel full. It's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and literally tastes like dessert, except it's actually making you leaner. Pick plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and you've got yourself a 300-calorie powerhouse that crushes cravings like nothing else. Snack 2, Almond Butter Apple Slices. Snack 2, apple slices with almond butter. Simple? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. 1 medium apple gives you 4 grams of fiber that expands in your stomach and makes you feel legitimately full. But here's the secret, pair it with 2 tablespoons of almond butter for 7 grams of protein and 18 grams of healthy fats. This combo prevents the blood sugar spike and crash that leaves you hungry and irritable. Cut your apple into thick slices and spread almond butter on each piece. This forces you to eat slowly, which actually makes your brain register fullness better. Choose almond butter with 0 added oils or sugar. This snack is crunchy, creamy, naturally sweet, and keeps you satisfied for hours. It's the perfect 3 p.m. pick-me-up that stops you from hitting the vending machine. Snack 3, Hard-boiled eggs with seasoning. Number 3, hard-boiled eggs with everything bagel seasoning, and this is a must try. 2 hard-boiled eggs deliver 12 grams of complete protein and only 140 calories. But here's what makes eggs special, they score incredibly high on the satiety index, meaning they keep you fuller than almost any other food. Plus, eggs contain choline that actually boosts your metabolism. The problem? Plain eggs are boring. Solution? Everything bagel seasoning, sesame seeds, garlic, onion, and sea salt that transforms bland eggs into something you'll actually crave. Boil a dozen eggs on Sunday, keep them in your fridge, and when hunger hits, peel 2, slice them, sprinkle the seasoning, and boom, you've got a portable, zero prep snack that destroys cravings and keeps your muscles fed. Hold up, are you still with me? Drop a fire emoji if you're ready to try any of these. And don't forget to hit that like button because we're just getting to the best ones. Snack 4, Crispy Roasted Chickpeas. Number 4 is for all my chip lovers, crispy roasted chickpeas. If you crave that satisfying crunch, this is your answer. 1 cup of chickpeas delivers 15 grams of protein and 12 grams of fiber. That's more fiber than most people eat in a whole day. And fiber is what keeps you full for hours by slowing down digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. Here's how to make them irresistible. Rinse and completely dry 1 can of chickpeas. Toss with olive oil and your favorite spices. I love smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until crispy. Make a huge batch and store them for the whole week. They're crunchy, savory, addictive, and you can eat a massive handful for under 200 calories. This snack ended my chip addiction for good. Snack 5, Cottage Cheese Power Bowl. Okay, number 5, the one that changed my life, Cottage Cheese Power Bowl. I know cottage cheese sounds weird. But this has 25 grams of protein per cup. That's more than a protein shake. It contains casein protein that digests super slowly, keeping you satisfied for hours. This is what bodybuilders eat before bed because it literally feeds your muscles all night long. But let's make it delicious. Chop half a cucumber and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Mix them into the cottage cheese with black pepper, sea salt, fresh dill, and a drizzle of olive oil. What you get is creamy, crunchy, refreshing, and savory perfection. It feels gourmet, but it's almost 0 carbs and pure protein. This is the snack that helped me drop 15 pounds because it completely eliminated my nighttime junk food habit. Snack 6, Dark Chocolate Almonds. Number 6, Dark Chocolate with Almonds. Yes, chocolate can help you lose weight. We're talking 70% cocoa or higher dark chocolate. 2 squares paired with 10 almonds give you a decadent treat with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants that actually reduce cravings. Dark chocolate improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your body process sugar better. But here's the key, eat this mindfully. Let the chocolate melt slowly on your tongue. Chew each almond completely. When you slow down, your brain registers satisfaction with way less food. This snack proves you don't have to give up everything you love. You just need to choose smarter versions and eat them intentionally. It's 150 calories of pure satisfaction. Snack 7. Avocado Rice Cake Crunch. Last one, number 7, avocado on rice cakes with sea salt, and this is genius. Half an avocado has 7 grams of fiber and 15 grams of healthy monounsaturated fats, the same fats in olive oil that keep you full and help absorb vitamins. But eating avocado alone can feel heavy. That's why we're putting it on plain rice cakes for that satisfying crunch. Mash half an avocado, spread it thick on 2 rice cakes, sprinkle with sea salt and red pepper flakes, squeeze fresh lime juice, and optionally add hemp seeds for extra protein and omega-3s. You get crunch, creaminess, healthy fats, and fiber all in one bite. It's filling, nutritious, feels indulgent, and takes 90 seconds to make. Perfect for when you need something fast that'll actually hold you over. So there you have it, 7 high-protein snacks that will keep you full for hours and help you reach your goals without starving yourself. But here's the deal, information without action is worthless. So right now, I want you to do something. Pick one of these snacks, just one, and commit to trying it this week. Then come back here and comment which one you chose and how it worked for you. I respond to every comment and I genuinely want to hear your results. And listen, if this video helped you, you need to share it with someone who's struggling with hunger and cravings. You might literally change their life today. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because remember, you're not on a diet. You're building a lifestyle that actually works. Now go grab one of these snacks and crush your goals.